Welcome to Abjeetenge, your gateway to IT mastery. Looking to advance your IT skills, Abjeetenge offers comprehensive courses designed for your success. Ever wondered how to manage and integrate massive datasets? Our Azure Data Factory course teaches you to build, manage, and optimize data pipelines seamlessly. Data is power. Master SQL with us to unlock the potential of databases. From basic queries to advanced management, we have got you covered. Transform raw data into insightful visualizations. Our Power BI course helps you to create stunning reports and make data-driven decisions effortlessly. Ready to land your dream job? Our interview preparation course equips you with the skills to succeed in interviews and build a standout resume. Step into the future with our artificial intelligence courses. Learn about machine learning, neural networks, and how to create intelligent systems that solve real-world problems. Join thousands of satisfied learners and transform your career with Abjeetenge, because the right skills are there with Abjeetenge. Thank you.